Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff.
To the 10X Game Show, let's get right into another one. Today is Thursday, July 24th. XRP's at $3.14. Let's dive right into the charts. Guys, I'm seeing a lot of red. You can see it up top here. We've seen a lot of red. We got a lot of red going on. And I haven't been here to update you. I apologize. Here I am. Let's get right into it today and see what the heck has gone on these past couple days. Wow. Guys, well, here we go. Looks like we had a double top here. This daily candle would have been the indicator that we were probably coming down with that death hammer. But as you can see, we did come down quite a bit. This was Wednesday. We had a candle come all the way down about 13%. And then we had another red day today. We went even lower, wicked all the way down to 295. But we did pull up. We closed the day at 314. And now here we are today. So it is nice to see the daily RSI reset here, as we've been just literally on overbought for days. I mean, for quite some time. You guys see we got up here over here, and then we just started staying up here, and we kind of just this whole range, and now we are resetting with the RSI. As you can see, our red support line here at $3.02, $3.03. We wicked right to it. We're holding it as support. So guys, if we take it down to the 4-hour, take a look a little bit closer here. What you can notice is we do got strong support here at $3.03. So what you can know here is we had resistance, and then we came back, tested as support. So if you guys are looking to jump into a long, $3.03 would be a good entry. If we close 4-hour candles below the 303, you can most likely expect us to come back to this range of support, which is this golden pocket at 272. Now, I'm not saying we have to come down there. Price does like to respect fib levels. So as we zoom out a little bit, you can see we came up to this fib level, and then we ended up coming back down. So we could come down to this fib level before going back up. It is a possibility. But let me know what you guys think down below. I do think the bullish scenario playing out here is potentially, even on the hourly, you can see it quite nice. Sorry, let me get the brush out. We could be having something like this, right? We could come down to retest the 303 and then come back up. And that would be a bullish W reversal pattern. Although we don't need to come as low. We also may potentially have a shoulder there, a head there. And then we've got, if we can bring it up here, we would have an inverse head and shoulders, which is another reversal pattern. So these are all speculations here of what could be playing out. On the 4 hours, you can see it's looking more like a W, potentially. So we'll see where this wants to go. If we break further down, basically, guys, this invalidates the moment we close that 4-hour candle below 303. So we want the 4-hour candle to hold $3.03 and then continue pushing back up to maintain a bullish W reversal pattern. But like I said, it is in the cards to potentially come back to the next fib level at 272. So just keep your eyes out for that. But yeah, so that's just the immediate short term. If we zoom out really and we go to the weekly, guys, look at this. I mean, this is nothing. This is nothing. We had 4 green weeks in a row. And if we can end this week pulling up a little bit, that would be fine. That'd be completely fine. That'd actually almost be bullish in a sense. That way we can reset with the weekly. We closed the highest weekly candle in history. And look, guys, now we're retesting these levels here, right where we closed at 303. You can see why we have this level of support drawn, and it's because this is where the weekly candles closed on a macro scale. They closed exactly at 302, 303, and that's exactly where we wicked to, and we're holding it. So as long as we hold the 303 on a weekly time frame by Sunday at 8 p.m., as long as we close this weekly candle above this range, we're still looking just fine. Let me know what you guys think down below. I mean, yeah, I thought we were going to hit $5 this week. Maybe I was a little ahead of myself. It's okay. Nothing's bearish. Everything's looking great. You know, if this is a red week, that's perfect. We can reset. And then next week could potentially be that week where we just continue moving up, continue pushing higher. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think, though. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Let's dive into X. Here's one. We got XRP could have either completed a wave 4 correction or can still dip to the lower zone around the 264 range, then continue with wave 5. Structurally, we are very bullish still. Pullbacks are part of the game. Enjoy the ride higher. So, this guy's showing an Elliott wave theory of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4. And guys, stage 5 is always the highest, the most bullish pump, if you want to say. So, you know, price at 303, it's completely fine. We could even go to 286. As you can see, that's a fib. 286 is completely in the realms of possibility and then moving higher. So there's nothing bearish about that. Here's one from Mark my effing words. This will be the pullback that leads to an XRP all-time high of $4.20 per coin. And that's a fact. I mean, why is he saying $4.20? Well, we do have a fib at 450 here, but he is potentially, let's just take a fib from a more low or more recent high to a recent low. Oh, that's not it. Could be looking on more of a macro time frame. I don't know if he connected the wicks, but ultimately the $4.20 range, $4.50 range is the next target. People say crypto's a scam, but someone telling you when to have lunch for 40 years is the real scam. I couldn't agree more with that. Dips like this are intended to flush out over-leveraged traders before the next leg up. This is normal in a bull run. There will be more like this on the way up. The top is not in yet. Guys, please understand, the top is not in yet. Nowhere near in. Absolutely nowhere near. We are just getting started. Man, and if you sold your bags because of this pullback, I feel bad for you. I'm sorry, but you are going to miss out on the excitement, the actual move, okay? Because we haven't even seen the actual move yet. We're so far from the top. The next leg up is loading in. We just closed the highest weekly candle for XRP in history. Do not let this discourage you one bit. Take it as an opportunity to buy more or to set yourself up with a nice position. If you missed out on getting in a position for XRP earlier, now's a great time to potentially look for entries. That's it for today, guys. I'll keep you updated this weekend, and we'll look at the weekly close, and I will see you in the next one. Till next time.
3 things to say. God bless our troops. God bless America. And gentlemen,